Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Travis. I'm the guy behind Flat Life and hope everyone out there is doing really well. I just received a box from Midland Radio, so we're gonna open this up and check out what's inside, so let's get at it. First thing in here is the MXT 275 Micro Mobile GMRS 2-way radio. This thing is sweet, man. It packs a super powerful punch and has up to a 50-mile range, so I'm super stoked on this. Second inside here is the X-Talker handheld radios. These have up to a 38-mile range. It's always great to carry a backup, plus you never know when a buddy might show up to the trailhead or an adventure with you. It doesn't have a radio, so now I've got them covered as well. Next is the latest antenna from Midland Radio. This is called the Ghost. It's a 3 dB gain antenna. Six-meter antenna cable. Mounting bracket for the Ghost antenna. Super sweet t-shirt. Thank you very much. Super stoked on that. And a super cool patch. These things are rad, man. This is made out of rubber. This is probably one of the best made patches I've ever seen, so I'm super stoked to add this to the collection. And of course, some decals. So I want to thank Midland Radio for setting me up with this sweet set, and I look forward to getting it installed. I'll be back soon with the install video, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit my follow button on my Instagram page along with Midland Radio, and also hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone stays safe. See you soon. Laters.